Good morning, dear students. Now, in last video we discussed different types of effects like inductive effect, resonance effect. Right? Now, today we are going to discuss some short answer questions which are based on identification of electrophilic center and this polarity of chemical bond. Right? Next one, inductive effect, least and most inductive effect in the given molecule. Next, resonance structure of given ion. Right? Now, first question, identify the electrophilic centers in the following molecules. First is aldehyde, second is cyanide, and third is halide. Right? Which carbon will act as electrophilic center in each molecule? Right? First, children, is aldehyde. Its bonding structure is CH3, C double bond O, and hydrogen. Right? Pi bond is present here. In C and O, oxygen is more electronegative than shifting of pi bonded electron on oxygen atom. Right? This carbon carries positive charge and oxygen negative charge. This C plus will act as electrophilic center. Right? In second molecule, this is showing C plus charge, positive charge on this carbon. In second molecule, cyanide group is present, pi bonds are present, right? Nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. The shifting of pi electrons on nitrogen atom and electrophilic center is carbon. This carbon carries positive charge, right? This center will act as electrophilic center. It means attraction towards negative center, right? CH3 ion. Right? I is halogen. I is present 17 group. In this molecule, I is bigger than carbon. Right? Then by inductive effect, this I acquires negative charge, right? And carbon positive charge. I is bigger than C. This I can disperse negative charge more easily than carbon. Okay, children? Then positive center is C plus. The C plus will act as electrophilic center. Right? Then what are electrophilic centers in the given molecules? C plus. In each case, carbocation is electrophilic center. But in first two molecules, first carbon is electrophilic center. This is first carbon is electrophilic center, right? Which bond is more polar in the following pairs of molecules? First is CH3H bond, CH3Br. In hydrogen and halogen, which atom is more electronegative? Halogen, right? CBr bond is more polar than CH bond because Br is more electronegative than hydrogen. In second pair of molecules, NH2 group is present, alcoholic group is present. In N and O, which atom is more electronegative? Oxygen, right? And then this CO bond is more polar than CN bond. Okay, children? Next one, in which carbon bond carbon or CC bond of bromopropane, the inductive effect is expected to be the least. Least inductive effect is observed in which carbon-carbon bond. How many carbon-carbon bonds are present in this bromopropane? 2 carbon-carbon bonds. 1 carbon-carbon bond between C1 and C2. Second carbon-carbon bond between C2 and C3. And children, the magnitude of inductive effect decreases with distance. Increasing distance decreases this magnitude of inductive effect. Right? The least inductive effect is observed between C2 and C3 bond. Okay? Next one. Write the resonance structures of acetate ion and show the movement of electrons by curved arrows. Right? electron or shifting of electron is always shown by curved arrow, right? Either in resonance or in any reaction mechanism. This is the bonding structure of COO minus group, right? Now pi bond is present here, negative charge is present here, lone pair of electrons are present. First structure is showing shifting of pi electrons on this oxygen and simultaneous shifting of lone pair of electron between O and C and formation of pi bond. And here is conversion of double bond to single bond. Just opposite of first structure. And children, resonance is shown by double-headed arrow. This head of arrow is showing conversion of this structure into this. And second head is showing conversion of second structure into first one. Right? This is the scientific notation for resonance. Okay children? Each form is also known as canonical structure or resonating structure. Okay children?